Hey there, superstars. Happy July at last. It's Magi Helena. Here's the astrological forecast for July 2021 in all 6 crucial astrology dimensions. As one of only 2 certified Magi astrologers at the highest level, and as the inventor of one-of-a-kind, instant, and affordable astrology tools, I've now helped tens of thousands of people in the US and around the world to make measurable progress toward their dreams of love and success. Please subscribe here on YouTube and then click that bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos debut. Like me, I'm sure you wondered if we would ever get through June, but I made it in one piece. I hope you did too. And woohoo, July rocks. We have 15 excellent days in July, quite a few more than is usual. The first pair of best days in July falls over 4th of July weekend. Sun is parallel both Odin and Pluto in Geo and is conjunct Diana and trine Uranus in Helio. These can be very positive days and are especially good for love and romance, with Chiron enhanced by Ixion in Geo Zodiac 7 and a fab fortress of Chiron, Venus, Odin, and the Chiron Ixion midpoint in Helio Zodiac 7. Best day run number 2 brings us Sun conjunct Lucky Odin and in more happy geometry in Geo Zodiac 7. Earth is conjunct Pluto and there is additional helpful geometry in Helio Zodiac 7. Best run number 3 still has Sun slow dancing with Odin. Fast-moving points like Odin can get into lockstep with the Sun or the Earth at times. During this best day run, Sun conjunct Odin is at the apex of a yod with Jupiter and Ixion in Geo, which is really a fortress with the addition of a Ceres Sedna conjunction as the 4th corner of the fortress. There's some serious money in these stars if your personal cycles agree. In fact, 2 of these days are among the best money and the best love days in July. Best day run number 4 also contains one of the best money days in July. The positives of these days rest on points I'm not able to reveal yet, though. I'm so sorry. We have only 2 runs of worst days in July. The first includes a peaking Sun-Saturn clash in Geo Zodiac 7, Earth in a peaking clash with the infamous Saturn-Jupiter confusion and agitation midpoint in Helio 12, and also in a peaking heart rate clash in Helio Zodiac 7. The second run of worst days has Sun applying in a bidirectional contraparallel to Saturn and in a Z7 clash with the Saturn-Neptune midpoint. In Helio, Earth is getting a nasty progression from the Saturn-Pluto midpoint, and in Zodiac 7 is in a tightly peaking clash with the Saturn-Uranus infamy midpoint. If your personal cycles are good, the best days in July could be fabulous for taking important actions. Knowing the relative quality of the general days plus your ever-changing personal cycles day to day can be critical knowledge. Timing your actions by combining your personal best and worst days with universal best and worst days is the quickest and the easiest way to manifest your best life. To see the specific best and worst days for love and for money, please click on the link below. Timing really is just about everything. You really can use the stars to improve your odds of love and success, as long as you always factor in your own personal cycles too. DIY info on that and a coupon are below. Click Show More. If you like this video, please click like. Thank you. If not, click dislike. If there's someone you know that should see this video, please share it with them. Remember, subscribe on YouTube for more astrology videos. And please visit me on MagiHelena.com for info on how to get your personal best and worst timing, how to understand your relationships, and more. Get there now. Text astrology to 51555. I feel like I'm finally coming back. I hope you are too. May you be truly blessed in everything that you do. And here's wishing you a jumpin' July.